Hey everyone, this is Richard with Mid-City Tactical. I want to give a big shout out to Boba Fresh for letting me borrow his shotgun today so I can run this tutorial. We have a Remington 870 police model. Does have a parkerized finish. We have a 12 gauge shotgun, pump action, 18-inch barrel with the bead sight, wooden stock, and wooden forend. Okay, I'm going to run you through a basic takedown of this Remington 870. Okay, so first thing we're going to do before we handle it is we're going to run a safety check. So right here in front of the trigger guard we have a little lever. Push that in, rack the action back, and we will visually and manually inspect that the firearm is unloaded. Okay, so that is clear. So first thing we need to start with is the clamp up here. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and loosen that up. All right, here we go. Okay, it comes out pretty easy. It's loose, and it does slide out. So there you have it, the clamp. If you notice, there's a little notch right there. That screw will line up with that notch. Okay, next thing. This magazine extension. It's pretty simple. We have a little knob here. You turn it. Okay, and be careful that this magazine extension is under pressure from a spring in there. So as you unscrew, hold on to the extension. Okay, here we go. Alright, we have the magazine extension and the giant spring that comes inside. Okay, so also inside should pop out the follower. Orange follower, boom. Okay, so one difficult thing with, oh, I'm sorry, skipped a step. The barrel. So all you need to do is wiggle and jiggle, and the barrel will come out. So there you have it, is the barrel. Okay, next step, we need to remove the forend and also the action that's inside. Okay, with the 870, it's a little bit tricky. There are two little, I don't know what you call these, levers or two little metal things that slide along the rail. You're going to need to depress those both on the left and right side, inside. I'll take you to a closer look into them. And then it will slide out. That side, and it all pops out. So you have your forend, your action here, and a little plate that this sits on. Okay, so there you have it. This is the basic takedown of Remington 870. Okay, now we're going to reverse all of it and we're going to put it back together. Okay, so first thing that goes on, forend, the action. Got the plate. Well, actually, I like to slide it on first, right up to it. Then we'll take the plate, fit it into place. action it goes next, or the bolt, and it should find its place. Okay, same thing going back in. You're going to need to depress those levers inside. I believe the right side first, and the left should go in. Okay, so it's back in. Push the lever in front of the trigger guard here, slide it back. Next, we have the barrel. Simple. Line it up, get this ring lined up, and fit it into place, like so. Okay. Next thing, be the follower, spring, and the extension. This gets a little bit difficult, so everyone has their own way of doing it, but here we go. Put it in so. There we go. Spins round and round, and you'll hear it click until you get it fully tight. There you have it. Last thing, clamp goes back on. Slide it into place. Take your screwdriver, and you're going to want to pinch the top to line up the hole with the screw. And it goes right in. Make sure you find that notch, line it up, and tighten the sucker down. Alright, so there you have it. All done. I hope that helped everyone out, or the ones who needed to know how to take down the Remington 870. Everyone, I'd like to thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Mid-City Tactical. Leave comments, leave requests, suggestions, anything you feel. Have a good day, and we'll see you soon.